Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for an easy way to control humidity in your bathroom, check out this Leviton humidity switch. This Leviton humidity sensor switch is awesome. So not only is it just a nice looking design for a humidity switch, but it is able to be controlled manually or automatically. So this actually has an automatic function where if the sensor senses that the humidity level is rising, then it will go ahead and turn itself on, which is awesome. So if you jump in your shower and you forget to put on your exhaust fan, once the humidity levels rise and it senses it, it will go ahead and turn the fan on. It also has an automatic off timer, which defaults at 20 minutes, or that can be adjusted to a number of different settings as well. The humidistat mode is awesome because it will periodically check the humidity levels and cycle on as needed, which is great if you live in an area with high levels of humidity. So I think this is a super cool and extremely functional switch that takes all the guesswork out of controlling your humidity, and that's my point of view.